Day 3 with the drone, which I love. Been flying it about an hour each day, and I'm doing all the stuff that they say you should do when you first start, figure eights, and like really trying to learn how to control it really good. Again, I was a total beginner. I've never flown a drone, never touched. I'd never even messed with anything that has a remote control, including video games. I don't do any of that stuff. So I thought this would be like very difficult for me to learn, and it just hasn't been at all, man. And I credit a lot of that to the drone. I mean, the drone is awesome, man. It's so stable. I'm still trying to get used to the back and forth and like, which direction when it's facing me, it's different, and then I take off and the back faces me, and of course, then the side to side is opposite. And then practicing, like I said, figure eights, kind of doing those numbers. I've done some drone footage of my house, which came out, I mean, really nice considering. We got a little bit of a breeze, so it's not near as fast going away from me. It's going to go a lot faster because that's the way the wind's going, but I think I have it on 100%, pretty sure. Yeah, you can see it start to drift off. But that's just, you can see how stable it is. I mean, it's crazy. Fly out that way. I even been practicing landing from a long distance, and that works out pretty good. Won't lie, I crashed it a couple times, but all things considered, when you consider my experience and how bad I am with remote controlled stuff, this drone is amazing. I love it. I really like it. I'm already thinking that the next, I'm hoping like November I can upgrade to the next Holy Stone, which is I forget which one it is, but it's got the HD camera, and I think it's GoPro compatible, which I won't be using because I use an Akaso, I think it's at a V50 camera, which is awesome. That's what I'm recording this on. Another awesome thing I've got, but because I'm a budget guy, and I bought it on a budget, it turned out to work, and it worked out really well. So anyway, you can see like just how quickly you can pick up on. At least I can't speak for other drones. I mean, I've read people say that it takes a long time to like get used to these things, and it takes a lot of practice. And yeah, I tell you what, this thing here must cut down on the learning curve big time because it's just been super easy. See if I can I've been practicing doing circles kind of around me. Let's see. Kind of doing. So it's kind of hard right now because of the wind, but I've been trying to practice kind of going in circles and like spinning as it goes, kind of like that number, and going in circles. It's just, it's just like I said. Ooh, I'm dizzy. Shoot. Come back this way. Try going around this tree up here. I kind of lose it behind the tree, which I like because it kind of helps me start to learn to gauge like where it's at even when I don't see it, and how much I need to turn to get it back. So you can see, you know, kind of went around the tree a little bit. Granted, I have a lot of room back there, so as long as I keep it far enough to that side, eventually I'm going to see it. And I try to give a wide berth when I'm going. Actually, that came kind of close. I kind of hugged it kind of tight that time. Trying to stay away from the, stay out of that pasture over there. That horse and donkey do not like that drone at all. I don't want to make them run. I could be videoing this with the drone too at the same time. That probably would have been kind of cool, but I didn't. Maybe next time. Just trying to show, just trying to give everybody kind of an idea of how easy this drone is. This is the Holy Stone F181C. In case you didn't see, I have another video from the first day when I got it. My son likes me to try and trace it. So I'm gonna land it because the batteries are getting low.